Hey, it's Monday morning and we're on our way to go to Meow Wolf. Yay! We are waiting on our either Uber or Lyft. I don't know which one he's using. Let's say you do. You don't pick those up in the same place that you pick up taxis. You have to go to a specific rideshare area that all hotels seem to have. So yeah, be in the right place or you won't find it. We're at area 15 where Meow Wolf is located. Meow Wolf costs $49, but if you look around on the web, you might find a discount. So shop around. There you go. Meow Wolf has two locations. Las Vegas has the Mart display, which starts out with a very crazy grocery store. Don't be shy when you're in there. Make sure to explore everything. We're gonna go in this weird box, see what's in there. It goes on forever. Spooky, there's so many of you. This place is cool so far. Could be the world's greatest nightclub, but be a place, fun place to come drink and dance and stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna check my blood pressure.
No, no. This won't be good.
I think it works.
Spooky wants to eat this